Welcome to our video tutorial on cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of crypto and helping you understand what it is and how it works. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized, which means it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Transactions are recorded on a blockchain, which is a public ledger that is updated and verified by a network of computers around the world. This makes it secure and transparent. One of the main advantages of cryptocurrency is that it is decentralized. This means that no single entity has control over it, making it more secure and resistant to fraud. It is also fast and cheap to transact, and there are no middlemen involved. Additionally, some cryptocurrencies have limited supply, making them potentially valuable as an investment. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, but the most popular ones are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is the most well-known. Ethereum is a blockchain platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications. Litecoin is similar to Bitcoin but has faster transaction times. While there are many advantages to using cryptocurrency, there are also risks. Cryptocurrencies are still relatively new, and the market is volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly, and some cryptocurrencies have been hacked or otherwise compromised. Additionally, some people may use cryptocurrencies for illegal activities, such as money laundering. That's it for our video on the basics of cryptocurrency. We hope we have helped you understand a bit more about what crypto is, how it works, and some of the advantages and risks involved. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.